Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Band 2 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this smart band with the Android phone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your smart band, and you can turn it on by plugging it to a charger. Once you plug it to a charger and the smart band receives the power, it should turn on automatically. And after it turns on, you will see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen, find the language you would like to use on your smart band, and then tap on it to select it. And after you select the language, you will need to download and install the Mi Fitness application on the phone you want to use to pair the devices. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Play Store, then tap on search and type in Mi Fitness and tap on search. You should see this application, Mi Fitness, formerly Xiaomi Wear. Tap on the install button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the app, tap on start. Here, check the bugs and tap agree. Now we need to select the region, and you can do it by tapping right here on this box. It will open the list of regions. Scroll through the list, find the one you like to use, tap on it to select it, then tap on next. And after you select the region, you will see the health page. Next, tap on device, tap on add device, and tap on sign in if you're asked to log in. And if you're asked to log in, you will need to log in into a Xiaomi account. If you don't have one, you can always create a new one by entering the phone number or by tapping on sign in using a password, and then you can tap on create account right here. I already have one, so I'm gonna log in. Give me a couple of seconds. And after you log in, you should see the device page again. On it, tap on add device, tap on agree, allow the permission. Once you allow the permission, you should see the list. After the app should start looking for the nearby devices, and it should detect your smart band. Once it does, tap on the smart band, wait, confirm the pairing on the phone, and confirm the pairing on the smart band. And right here, we can tap on done, continue, tap next, next, done. And here we can turn on notifications. If you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your smart band, you can do it by turning on the notifications right here. If you don't care about this feature, you can tap on dismiss and skip it. If you want to enable notifications, you can select to enable all notifications or only specific ones. Select the option you like and then tap on set. Tap on set. It will redirect you to the notification access. Here find the Mi Fitness application, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, and then go back to the app. And once you go back to the app, you will be also asked to allow the permission for incoming calls. So if you want to receive the notifications about incoming calls, you need to tap on set and allow the permission. If you don't care, you can tap on dismiss. Allow all the required permissions if you want it to work. And next we have the sync DND with phone. This option allows you to, I believe, sync the do not disturb mode with your phone. So if you enable it on your phone, it will enable itself on the smart band. And if you want to use it, tap on set and allow the permissions. If you don't care, you can tap on dismiss. And once you're done, you should see the device page for your smart band 2. And of course, you should be able to use your smart band, which means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this smart band with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.